I mean, let me start at the basic. My fundamental view is that a lot of companies say that we have a lot of values, right? I mean, one of the values you say is that you're customer centric, you'll be fair, you'll be transparent, you'll be accountable. I don't think you can be any of all that without being employee centric. I mean, you can't say that these are my values and then you treat your employees in a particular way, because if you do that, you'll have very opportunistic relationships with your employees. I mean, in good times, they'll stay with you, in bad times, they'll also abandon you. So I think one of our attempts has been to be consistent in terms of our behavior. We had a blockbuster year last year. I mean, this year we're going through some struggles, but the way we've treated our employees in both situations has been pretty standard. We did realize that this was unprecedented. So we set up a helpline and we told our employees to call up and ask for help. And it was free. I mean, so they could speak to they could speak to a counselor. They could ask for any training or mentoring they required. They could, we had conducted yoga classes and therapy classes. So these have been well received, and we've made it very clear to our vendors that the loyalty is to the employee who's reaching out to them. It's not to the company. So whatever our employees do, whoever they reach out to, whatever conversations they have, they're completely confidential, and they don't discuss anything with us. But some of us at senior management also reached out for guidance and counseling. I mean, and part of that was also to check, how the quality of advice is, and we found it very good. And as far as the employees are concerned, we did a few things that we spoke about. I think we did a lot of communication. That's also a form of internal marketing. I mean, the number of town halls, the number of interactions, for example, internally have significantly gone up. And we have also asked them for feedback on what is it that they would like to make sure that they have a better quality of life. So, for example, game nights, comedy shows, so on and so forth, virtually, where the employee and the families can participate on a regular basis, are things that we have done. I mean, as far as the organization is concerned, we are a great place to work certified. Nothing would be more joy than to be an employer of choice. And I think I say it unabashedly, I think the most important people for me are my employees. And we would want to be a benchmark employer. So we can say a lot of things, but then I think if you're a benchmark employer, I think everything else falls into shape. I mean, you'll have a great brand, you'll be great at customer service, you'll be great at everything. But I think the starting point is being a great employer.